To troubleshoot login issues with Banco Sabadell fixed deposit, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device. Start by checking your username and password for any typos or incorrect entries. Make sure your caps lock is off and you are using the correct password, as passwords are case sensitive. Next, check if your account is locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts. If so, you will need to reset your password or contact Banco Sabadell customer support to unlock your account. You can reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password option on the login page and following the prompts. Another common issue is outdated or incorrect browser settings. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. You can also try using a different browser or device to rule out any browser-specific issues. If you are still having trouble, check if there are any scheduled maintenance or technical issues with Banco Sabadell online services. You can do this by visiting their official website or social media pages for updates. Additionally, ensure that your account is active and not suspended due to inactivity or other reasons. If your account is inactive, you will need to contact Banco Sabadell customer support to reactivate it. To avoid login issues in the future, make sure to keep your browser and operating system up to date. Use strong and unique passwords, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any login issues with your Banco Sabadell fixed deposit account.